What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode on the channel. Right now we're about 7-8 miles offshore on the buoy line, rolling for a kingfish. It's your standard dusters with some frozen cigar minnows. We'll do this for a little while, and then I plan on running offshore to bottom fish. But y'all stick with me. Let's go catch us a fish. Yeah, you massage them and make them nice and limber, and they'll swim for you. This guy ain't got no tail. Basic duster rig, with a treble hook on the end. Whoa, look at that. We're about to get a fish. I hope. Man, look at that. Can't catch a break. Got it. Whew. All right. Oh, it popped. Kill switch works. Scary. What? Huh? Huh? Yes. Calm down. We got power or not? Yeah? Serious. Oh man.
Hello.
Hey.
What?
I've reset it and I've got power. The motor beeps when I turn the key on. So you hear it, but it won't spin over. Nope. Damn. Damn. God, dude, I done threw the anchor out and everything. Yeah, it started. It was in gear. I'm good. I got nervous, man. We're good now. I'm about to start heading inland a little bit. It's rough out here. I wrap the line around the end more than anybody. Fish on. All right. Fish on. I got one. Whoa. All right. Oh, I think he got off. Oh, no, there he is. Little old triggerfish. All right. Hold on, let me get my pliers.